Insurance costs are rising for home and business owners everywhere.
And this year's Bender Market Outlook reported a 45% increase in premiums over the past 5 years.
In tonight's Your Money Matters, how property owners are changing the way they build to try and combat the rising cost of insurance.
The whole industry is going that way because the costs are so escalated now. And they're losing money.
With the frequency of severe weather damage across the country, combined with the rising cost of building, insurance companies are adjusting how they operate, not only raising premiums, but also deductibles.
The deductible is like 1 or 2% of the value. And so instead of it being a $5,000 deductible or a $10,000 deductible, now this project is maybe like a $150,000 deductible. So that's all the siding, all the roof, everything would have to be destroyed just to cover that. So it basically means there's really no exterior coverage anymore on our deductibles.
It's why developers like Dustin Hendrickson with Mailbox Money are changing the materials they use in their new builds to help cut back on insurance claims.
We do the fully adhered rubber roofs so we don't have any hail or wind damage, or very minimal anyways. So I mean, you get the asphalt shingles, they start just flying off the roofs.
We use an engineered wood siding that is very impact resistant as opposed to some fiber cement products that are available. There's some published data about launching a 65-mile-an-hour golf ball at this particular product that's on the building behind us and not leaving a trace of impact, no dent, no nothing.
Austin Kochi with Velco Construction says these are changes homeowners can make when replacing their own siding, windows, or roof. All things that can help prevent damage from the elements.
It's always good to do some research and ask your builder some questions on what types of products they're using or what particular brands or makes that they're putting on your house, and just make sure that you're educated on what the limitations of that product are and what the warranty is.
Of course, no building can be built to fully sustain Mother Nature, as many Nebraska communities experienced during last week's tornadoes. But these material changes can help prevent insurance claims from wind, hail, or water damage.
Well, we